In the labyrinth of the mind, where shadows dance and whispers of doubt echo, lies the battleground of our inner struggles. Yet, as disciples of the venerable philosophy of Stoicism, we wield the ancient wisdom of our forebears as our shield and sword, marching forth to conquer the tumultuous seas of negative emotions that threaten to engulf us. Here, amidst the chaos of our inner turmoil, we unveil the secrets to mastering our minds and triumphing over the tempest of destructive emotions. 1. Embrace the inner citadel. In the depths of our consciousness, there exists an impregnable fortress, the inner citadel of the Stoic sage. As Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor, writes in his Meditations, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Embrace the sovereignty of your inner citadel, cultivating a fortress of self-control and fortitude that remains steadfast amidst the storms of emotion. 2. Cultivate emotional equanimity. In the crucible of life, we encounter a myriad of emotions, both light and dark, fleeting and enduring. Yet, as Epictetus, the Stoic sage, teaches us, men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of them. Cultivate emotional equanimity by adopting a Stoic perspective, recognizing that it is not the events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments and interpretations of them. By reframing our perceptions and embracing the inherent neutrality of external events, we liberate ourselves from the shackles of destructive emotions. 3. Practice mindful acceptance. In the tapestry of existence, there are threads of joy and threads of sorrow, threads of triumph and threads of defeat. Yet, as Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, reminds us, we should every night call ourselves to an account. What infirmity have I mastered today? What passions opposed? What temptation resisted? What virtue acquired? Practice mindful acceptance of life's vicissitudes, embracing each experience, whether pleasant or painful, as an opportunity for growth and self-mastery. By surrendering to the flow of life and accepting things as they are, we free ourselves from the burden of resistance and find peace in the present moment. 4. Cultivate virtue as your North Star. In the pursuit of a life well lived, the Stoic sage prioritizes inner virtue above all else. As Epictetus exhorts, "Seek not that the things which happen should happen as you wish, but wish the things which happen to be as they are, and you will have a tranquil flow of life." Cultivate virtue as your guiding star, embodying qualities such as wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice in all that you do. By aligning your actions with your values and principles, you transcend the fleeting allure of external pleasures and find lasting fulfillment in the pursuit of excellence. 5. Embrace impermanence and transcendence. In the grand tapestry of existence, everything is impermanent: joy, sorrow, love, and loss. Yet, as the Stoic sage Seneca imparts, we should every night call ourselves to an account. What infirmity have I mastered today? What passions opposed? What temptation resisted? What virtue acquired? Embrace the impermanence of all things, recognizing that the only constant in life is change. By cultivating a mindset of detachment and transcendence, we rise above the fleeting pleasures and pains of the material world, finding solace in the eternal truths of Stoic philosophy. In the crucible of our inner struggles, we unearth the keys to mastering our minds and conquering negative emotions. May these timeless teachings of Stoicism serve as guiding lights on your journey to inner peace and self-mastery. As disciples of this venerable philosophy, let us march forth with unwavering resolve and steadfast courage, for therein lies the path to true liberation and transcendence.